Good evening, everyone. Welcome to day 9, the one contract MES evaluation challenge. So today was the day before FOMC. Now, if you look back in time, this kind of price action the day before FOMC does not happen. I mean, we moved almost 100 points, okay? And that normally does not happen on FOMC. So I did not expect this at all. Also as well, when market opened, we were really sideways chopping. So I didn't expect a 100-point move today. I wasn't prepared, but we still made some good profits in the charts anyway. So my first position of the day was before market opened. I could see this had this level from, this was from 6:40 in the morning. We came back down, we tested it, I went long, and I got out around here, which was the 5-day moving average, and I got out here. The second position I took was a rejection of the 200-day moving average, and I got rid of it right here. The reason being is 5125 was a level that we had from here, 5125, and it's very strong. It's bounced off it once, bounced off it twice, 3 times, 4 times. So I got out of it as close as to the level as I possibly could. So I got out right here, saw the market come up and then tanked again. By this now, I'd done 2 trades. I just wanted to take one more trade at some point. And I was only looking for puts because the employment data came out and caused this sell-off. So market was in a position to sell. The next position, as I always say, 2 p.m. the market goes in the opposite direction from what it has done in the previous hour. If we have a look here, 2 p.m. is 7 p.m. UK time. As soon as the first candle closed, this is the 2 p.m. candle closing, we simply sold off. And from here, 109, we got to all the way to 54, so a 60-point move. I caught a piece of this. I only got in, as you can see, at 5093, and I got out of it at the bottom of this candle. Because it was FOMC day and it was the last day of the month, I did not want to hold any positions for a ripsaw effect to then push up and lose a trade. During this whole evaluation phase, I've only lost 1 trade, so I wanted to keep it that way. But had you have taken a position at 2 o'clock and held it for the whole of this move, we have gone from, let's just have a look here, 109 all the way to, let's say, market close, we can say around here, to 50. So it's a 59-point move on 1 contract. That would be $295, just the 2 o'clock move. And if you don't believe me, look what happened yesterday at 2 o'clock. I think it was here. 7 o'clock, we sold off. That is 2 p.m. US time. If we have a look the day before, last week Friday, same thing. Didn't get as big a move. But as soon as 7 o'clock hit, you can see the market started to tank. Okay, this happens 90% of the week. There may be 1 day it doesn't happen, or maybe 2, but it is a good place to position yourself, especially if you've seen controlled buying like this. Now, for those people that use structure in their trades, you could have just waited for this structure to break before you took puts. You can see here buying. If we do the opposite, let's see what happened here. Trend line down to here, got some buying there. This is the main trend here. As soon as it broke, you could have caught some points there, and this trend never broke once. Okay, and there you go. Could have caught a little move here, doing the opposite. But if you're waiting and you had a bearish thesis like I did, you don't really want to be drawing the bearish trend. You want to wait for the controlled buying to break every time, and then you can short this position. You can see here, buying. As soon as it breaks, we get a retest, and then you can take a position. As soon as it breaks, we get a retest, and then you sell. Even same here, this little position here. So that was my trades for today. We've got about 900 left on the account before it becomes a live trading account, and I'm hoping to have this done by possibly the middle of next week. Tomorrow is FOMC day, so the main data comes out at 7 p.m. Then you'll have Powell speaking at 7:30. I expect the market to chop before then. If we do end up making any moves, I will let you know in the Telegram. But again, just trade your liquidity levels. You can see here you could have caught a nice move there, caught a nice move there, and so on. Take your profits quickly tomorrow. Do not look for the blockbuster moves, because everyone will be waiting to see what Powell says and what the interest rate decision is before anything happens. Okay guys, enjoy your evening. I'll see you closer to opening bell.